So what's up, TFO gang? Welcome back to Tech Figure Out, and I'm back with another video on the 2014 Kia Soul, and I'm gonna show y'all how to remove the brake light. All you want to do is come around to the back, open up that hatch, get that trunk release open, and then screw number 2. Then you want to get that third one removed. And then with this, all you want to do is you just want to kind of grab it and clear it out of space. If you need to, get yourself some kind of like plastic spacer or some sort of flathead to ride it out. Stand by. Like so. Then you want to just dig into them cracks like this. Wedge it out. Dig in there. Wedge out the light. You want to just come dig in there. Wedge out that light. Wedge it out like so. You pry it out in the prying method. So pry it out. What I like to do is take this connector and literally disconnect it. Take this connector here. Remove that from the whole assembly. So this can be free. You don't want to janky up your cords. And then to remove that brake light, what you want to do is you want to come to the bottom of this, twist this connector to the left to remove that, get that socket exposed. And as you can see, that socket is blown. Just twist it to the left and then push up, pull it out, and we're gonna go and get the new bulb. Stand by. You just want to, what you do is you see these two little pins sticking out on the side here. What you want to do is, within this slot, you want to fit those pins right between these two slots here. And once you get them in there, so like so, get those pins in the slot, you push down the bulb and twist it to the right to lock it in. And you want to just connect that back in. And come back over. Reconnect the connector. Reconnect that connector here. Make sure you hear it snap. You got all these tabs there. That's where you want to line these pins here. You got these pins right here. You just want to line those in those tabs. Hey, Fredo, you gonna do me a favor? Can I have you hit the brake light for me? And before we assemble this back, or before you assemble it back, you always want to do a test before you put it back, because then you go testing it and it doesn't work like so, then you got an issue. So what we're gonna, YouTube, I want to keep you guys in tune with this, because if you need to replace that tail light, you need to just go to the very top light, the one here at the top, up here, that's the tail. Down below is the brake. It's replaced, it's working, as you guys can see, but this customer also has a tail light out there we're gonna be replacing as well. So you just take that top connector, like so. Take your top connector, take your bulb, There you go. It's working tail light now. Okay, so now you want to do is just go around to the back, stick it back inside, take this fixture here, line it back up, get your screws back in there. And that is how you replace a light bulb on a 2014 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment.